The Ghati Subramanya temple is believed to have a staggering history of more than 600 years. It is said to be constructed in the period of Ghorpade, who belonged to the Sandur dynasty. It is believed that the main deity Subramanya appeared in the dreams of the king, which led him to the excavation site where he found the self-emerged idol. The speciality of the idol remained that it seemed like Lord Subramanya from one side and Lord Narasimha from the other, and thus the Ghati Subramanya temple was built around it.
ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವಾಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಪರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಾಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಸಮೇತವಾಗಿ ನರಸಿಂಹಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಏಕದೇಹನ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಯಾವ ಭೇದ ಭಾವವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಪಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾನೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಶಿವ ಅಂತ, ನರಸಿಂಹ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾನೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ನರಸಿಂಹ. ಶಿವ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಭೇದ ಭಾವವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಪಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ದೇಹನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಭವವಾಗಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪುರಾಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖವಿದೆ.
The magnificent Gopura at the entrance of the temple is a perfect example of a Dravidian style of architecture housing many Hindu deities and events of Hindu mythology. One of the distinguishing aspects as you enter this temple is that one can find two deities here, Lord Subramanya and Lord Narasimha. The idol of Lord Subramanya in his serpentine form faces the east, while the idol of Lord Narasimha sits at the back of the former and faces the west. Devotees can view the idol of Lord Narasimha through a strategically placed mirror, allowing both deities to be worshipped at the same time. The idol of Lord Subramanya and Narasimha is carved from a single stone.
The Ghati Subramanya temple is one of the major spots for snake worship in South India. Some of the major rituals that are performed at the temple include Kujadosha Parihara, Naga Pratishta, Sarpadosha Parihara, Nivarana Puja and Ashlesha Bali Puja.
The devotees firmly believe that a childless couple will be able to conceive after visiting this holy temple. Another ritual practiced here is the installation of snake idols near the temple, which is believed to be an auspicious act and offering.
ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಘಾಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರಂತೆ. ಆಗ ಅವರು ಘಾಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರ್ಪದೋಷ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದ ಘಾಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಲ್ಲರೋರು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಗರಕಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yeah, many times I believe in this culture because I'm from Orthodox family and my family also believe more. Even I have thought it's a believing place. I feel better to come with a family in this place.
Visitors to the temple are greeted with the sight of thousands of such idols around the complex, planted by devotees. The Brahmaratotsava is one of the important days at the temple, celebrated with special rituals. Another major festival at the Ghati Subramanya temple is Narasimha Jayanti.
In December, this temple provides a venue for a massive cattle fair. Agriculturists, cattle rearers and traders converge for this cattle fair from neighboring states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Kerala, along with people from all over Karnataka.
ರಾಜ್ಯದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ರಾಸುಗಳು, ಉತ್ತಮ ರಾಸುಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಆ ರಾಸುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಸಹ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
The closest airport to the temple is the Bangalore International Airport, which is 48 kilometers away. The closest railway station is the Makali Durga railway station, which is around 3 kilometers away from the Ghati Subramanya Kshetra. One has to travel about 44 kilometers to Dodballapura from Bangalore on the state highway and then take right at Dodballapura and travel for 16 kilometers to reach Ghati Subramanya temple.
Clean and tidy accommodation is available for pilgrims who would like to stay over to perform extended pujas and offerings. There are also several eateries around the temple. All the pilgrims are offered prasadam at the temple on a daily basis.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾತ್ರಿ ನಿವಾಸನೂ ಇದೆ, ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸಮೇತ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ದಾಸೋಹದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ.
Beyond the swanky malls and the busy IT hubs of Bangalore, the ancient soul of India stirs in the outskirts. A short drive from the city will surprise you with many architectural and spiritual marvels that have been the nerve centers of the local culture for centuries.
Step out and enjoy a visit to the Ghati Subramanya temple, nestled close to the historic Makli Durga Hills.